Audio Jungle.
Hello friends, hope you are all wonderful and doing well. Today I come up with some basic mechanical and technical question and answer series. These videos are knowledgeable for all but specifically made on the request for considering freshers to prepare and to clear technical interview round. This video is also useful for all technician persons like ITI diploma candidate or Polytechnic candidate and engineering students, that means B students, for career growth. They can do their interview preparation by watching this video series. So without doing any further delay, let's start with Q&A. First question: what is the least count of Vernier Caliper and how to calculate it? And what are its types? In case of Vernier Caliper, 0.02 mm is the least count. Least count means what? You cannot measure less than this value by using Vernier Caliper. Formula: how to find out? Vernier Caliper least count is equal to value of smallest division on main scale, you can see in the image, divided by total number of divisions on the vernier scale. If you can observe that image, you can find out there the smallest division on main scale is 1 mm and the total number of Vernier Caliper division is 50. So 1 mm divided by 50 is equal to 0.02 mm. In other sense, we can say 0.002 centimeter. Now we are going to focus on various types of Vernier Caliper. So dial Vernier Caliper, second is a digital Vernier Caliper, third Vernier height gauge, and fourth type is Vernier depth gauge. You can see all images on the screen. Second question: how do you ensure quality control in a manufacturing process? This question is useful for quality control engineer perspective. So the answer is we can follow ISO, International Standardization for Organization, or Six Sigma. We can follow these regulations, ISO or Six Sigma, and according to that, to conduct and inspect manufacturing product at various stages and to perform dimensional and functional check. Need to collaboration with the production team time to time for resolving the issues. Third question is, How do you define the stress or strain in the material? Answer is, as we know the basic engineering principle, stress is the force applied per unit area, and strain, it is the deformation or change in shape of material with respect to the original shape. Fourth question is, during selection of material for mechanical components or parts, which key factors going to consider? This question is very common, and the answer is, we are going to focus on the environmental conditions, its mechanical properties like strength, toughness, hardness. We also need to consider its cost. Is it a cheap or it is costly? We need to focus on manufacturability point of view. Then material compatibility with respect to the other components. We also consider its availability. This factor ensures component performance, durability and cost effectiveness. Fifth question is, can you please explain the use of tolerance analysis and its importance in our industries? And the answer is, it helps to ensure that manufacturing part fit together properly and function as intended or as decided. During tolerance analysis, need to consider factors like manufacturing processes. Which type of manufacturing processes we need to use during manufacturing that process? We should have to consider the tolerance according to that. Material properties and functional requirement. After applying tolerance, we can ensure proper fit, their functionality and assembly of final product, so we can avoid issues like interference or misalignment or any gap occurs in between the components. So such type of technical issues we need to avoid by using the tolerance analysis.